Today we're going to install and set up our Richmond Tweed Regional Library app on your iPad device. Before we begin, you will need the following: your device connected to the Wi-Fi, your Richmond Tweed Regional Library membership card so we can enter your membership or barcode number, your library PIN number, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number, and access to your Apple's App Store account, which has been set up. I'm going to begin today by clicking on the App Store icon on our front screen here. It's the blue one. Once we're into the App Store, we're going to click on the search icon down in the bottom right hand corner, and then we're going to click up in the search field here and start typing in Richmond Tweed. Now you'll notice the predictive text has picked up Richmond Tweed Library. We can select that from the drop down list. Saves you typing everything in. Once it's loaded, you'll see that there's a little cloud with a download arrow, so we can actually click on that to actually start downloading our app. The Richmond Tweed Regional Library app is free, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a minute or two to download. Once it's completed downloading, our open button will appear. We can click on that. Okay, we're now into our app, but we need to log into our app before we can start using it properly. So we've got on the right hand side in the top part of the screen, you'll see 3 lines. We call that a hamburger. Now this indicates that there's a menu behind it. So if we click on the hamburger, then we've got the options here to sign in. We need to also check which language we want it in. English is fine for me, otherwise you can select another language. Then we're going to click on the sign in button, and then we can actually sign in using our library membership card. So there's 2 ways we can do this. The first one is that we can actually scan the barcode using the camera on your tablet device. So we can click on the scan barcode button. It's asking you that the libraries would like to access your camera. You have to say yes to that or okay to that. The barcode, the red line, go through your barcode to actually pick it up. Might take you a little while to get that. And once you've got that in, you'll see that anyone that's got a Richmond Tweed Regional Library membership with a card will have a number that starts with a 2. If you've joined online, you'll have a number that starts with a C. I'm going to use that one for this instance, so you can see the other way that you can do this. Okay, so if you've got a membership card number that starts with a 2, use that. Otherwise, if you've got an online one, you can use this. Then we need to enter into our PIN, which is the last 4 digits of our phone number, unless you've changed it. Now once we've done that, we need to click login. Now once you've logged in, we can go back to the hamburger again, and you can see now that you should have your name showing here. And then you can see checkouts, reservation charges, and other things like that. You should now be ready to use our Richmond Tweed Regional Library app. If you have any problems with installing and using this app, please contact your local library for over-the-phone support. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.